purposes of hearing, myself and advocate Thabani Mpofu were representing the appellants. A point was raised, so it's a technical point. And when I say it's a technical point, it means it has nothing to do with the substance of the matter. It has to do with the paperwork, the technicalities. The point was raised to say that because you excluded my clients from Advocate Mpofu's case, then the appeals are fatally defective.
Hello viewers, welcome back to Pezvaitwa TV. Pano patino kupaina udza kasiyana-siyana. maMp zvinenge zvichiratidza kumachimana enyika nedzimwe nzvimbo dzakatikomberedza. Masikatana wanu nevidhio ndakubatirai panapa rashungurudza zvizvarwa zveZimbabwe uye vanhu vakawanda vanga vachiti muZimbabwe tikaregerera zvinhu kozvoinde zvikizvi hanzi zvinhu zvichazotisvitsa kuna taisireva nokuda kuti zvave kuitika Zimbabwe ichaguma yava one party state nokuda kwokuti opposition izvi zvichaguma kusisina zvachose vanhu vakatadza kushandisa mukana wavainawo at the moment because nhasi taona kuti zvabuda kuSupreme Court hazvina kunakidza kana kuti hazvina kufadza vanhu vakawanda especially veCCC as we all know kuti ndozuva ranhasi ravanga vachida kunzwa maresults eappeal yavo yavakaita kuti varivesewe by-elections akatarirwa date ra9 December this month kuti vese vakarekolewa vange vachiita by-elections asi takaona kuti izvi vakazvichallenge vakazama kuti kwose uku vakaenda kuHigh Court zvikandoshaya basa vakati akukwidza nhau yedu kuSupreme Court otherwise tingandobatsirika ikoko but nhasi zvabuda ikoko hazvina kufadza vanhu vakawanda. Ndofunga tichitaiziva kuti advocate Amanda Sihle Ndlovu andivo vaimiririra maMPs akarekolewa naSengezo Shavangu asi tamuonawo iye achitaura zvabuda kumatare edzimhosva achiti inini I tried by all means kuti ndizame kuexplaina zviri clear ndichipa matangible proof ndichipa tangible evidence yezvakaitwa naSengezo Shavangu kuti hazvisiri pamutemo according to the law but hanzi matare edzimhosva aramba kuzvitambira nokudaro by-elections are still proceeding musi wa9 December. Vasikanda kupedzera nguva ndoti muzvinzwirewo pagweta umwe wemagweta aimiririra vamwe vakarekolewa muCCC. Vasikanda kupedzera nguva ndoti muzvinzwirewo mega pana advocate Amanda Sihle Ndlovu vachitaura muzozita zvamunofunga mucomment section. Asi kana chiri first time yako to be here akakusubscribe mahara for more information, for more updates mundoziva zvamunofunga mucomment section. But for now is bye.
Yes, can you tell us what happened? Sorry, just a moment. Yes, we are ready.
My name is Advocate Amanda Sihle Ndlovu. I was representing one class of the appellants, which are the senators. So I'll try my best to summarize and simplify what's taken place today. So before the Supreme Court was two notices of appeal. One on behalf of the first set of members of Parliament who were recalled from Parliament, and then the second appeal related to the senators who were also recalled in the same time period. So this is the very first bunch of recalled members who were recalled. So in these appeals, because they were filed separately, the senators were not included in the members of Parliament appeal. The members of Parliament were not included in the senators' appeal. However, the matters were consolidated for the purposes of hearing. Myself and advocate Thabani Mpofu were representing the appellants. A point was raised, so it's a technical point. And when I say it's a technical point, it means it has nothing to do with the substance of the matter. It has to do with the paperwork, the technicalities. The point was raised to say that because you excluded my clients from Advocate Mpofu's case, then the appeals are fatally defective. It was an unprecedented point in the sense that there's not any authorities to say that is a fatally defective issue. However, the courts found that even though all the appellants were before the court, they found that the notices were fatally defective, such that those notices were struck off the roll. So what that means, it says go and correct that defect and the appellants still have an opportunity to then refile those appeals in a manner that complies with this issue that has been raised.
So we're likely to come back to court for this particular matter.
And that far I cannot comment. My brief extends to today's hearing. So what I'm saying is that is a possibility of the matter being brought back. The likelihood of the same, it depends on the clients. If they decide they want to come and give it another go, then we may see the appeal being brought before. But what I need to point out is that would then require a bit of an extension of the time period for the appeal to be heard. So there would still be a bit of work to be done in order for the matter to be reinstated. Go ahead.
Does that have an implication on the election date?
No, it has no bearing on the election date.